36th District Court is back in session with the Honorable Raeigen Evans presiding. While court's in session, there will be no walking around, talking, reading, eating, sleeping, driving. When your name is called, please unmute your device and give your full undivided attention to the court. Once again, good morning, Your Honor.
All right, good morning, Mr. Petway. This is the people versus Corinne Dillard, ticket number SP 1249433, count one, no insurance misdemeanor. Good morning, please say your name for the record.
Good morning, Your Honor. Ali Bear appearing on behalf of Ms. Dillard. Ms. Dillard, state your name for the record.
Karen Nay Dillard.
Sorry.
Thank you, Ms. Dillard. Your Honor, I'm seeking an adjournment for the month of April by chance. Ms. Dillard is just going to return to work and get that insurance as soon as she gets her first paycheck. Is the court willing to allow us an adjournment for a month and a half?
No, why don't we just set it for a bench trial?
Okay, that's perfect. That's fine.
It'll be March 6th, but we'll see if the officer shows up.
That's fine. Ms. Dillard.
Go ahead. Go ahead. Speak.
I'm just going to, Ms. Dillard, we're going to schedule for a trial date and request the officer to appear. And if he does not, then we can prepare a dismissal to dismiss your matters.
Okay, thank you.
Mm-hmm.
Raise your right hand, Ms. Dillard. Do you swear or affirm to tell the whole truth and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
Right, you put your hand down. You understand you do have the right to a jury trial?
Yes.
Has anyone threatened you, forced you, or promised you anything of value to waive your right to a jury trial?
No.
All right, so the court's gonna continue your not guilty plea. Set this for a bench trial date for March 6th at 9 o'clock.
Thank you.
All right, you're all set, ma'am. This is the people versus Tiffany Ray. Ticket number SP 1318030, count one, driver's license never acquired. Good morning, please say your name for the record.
Morning,
Good
Your Honor. We're appearing on behalf of Ms. Ray. Ms. Ray, state your name for the record, please.
Tiffany Ray.
Thank you. Your Honor, we'd like to request a bench trial on this matter.
Raise your right hand, Ms. Ray.
Okay.
Do you swear or affirm to tell the whole truth and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
You can put your hand down. You understand you have the right to a jury trial?
Yes, ma'am.
Has anyone threatened you, forced you, or promised you anything of value to waive your right to a jury trial?
No, ma'am.
All right, so the court's gonna continue your not guilty. Please set this for a bench trial date for March 6th at 9 o'clock.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. This is the people versus Chantel Duncan.
Yes.
All right, ticket number SP 1392288, count one, failed to display a valid operator's license down a person, and ticket number SP 1392266, count one, 11 to 15 miles per hour over posted speed, count two, no proof of insurance. Good morning, please say your names for the record.
Morning, Your Honor. Ali Bear appearing on behalf of Ms. Duncan. Ms. Duncan, state your name for the record, please.
Chantel Marie Duncan.
Thank you, ma'am. Your Honor, Ms. Duncan would like to avail herself to the offer of dismissal of ticket ending in 8-1, a guilty plea to an amended charge of, a responsible plea to an amended charge of limited access 1 to 5 for ticket ending in 6-1, and dismissal of ticket ending in 6-2.
All right, with that, you stipulate to the face of the ticket, Mr. Barrow.
So stipulated, Your Honor.
All right, the court will amend count one to limited access, 1 to 5. You stipulate the probable cause as to the remaining tickets to be dismissed without prejudice.
So stipulated, Your Honor.
All right, they're dismissed without prejudice. We'll proceed to sentencing. There's a fine of $125, Ms. Duncan. Because this is a civil infraction, you have 14 days to pay this fine. Can you have it paid by March 9th?
Yes, ma'am, I can.
Okay, did you have any questions?
How would I pay it? Would it be online?
You can pay it online. You can also pay it at, there's kiosks around the city called DIVDAT, D-I-V is in Victor, D-A-T as in Tom, they're like in CVS or Meyer. You can
Okay.
pay it there, there's one in Northwest Activity Center. You can also pay it over the phone. I can give you the phone number if you'd like.
Oh, Northwest Activity Center is actually around the corner from my house, so that's perfect.
Oh, okay. Yep, you can pay it on that.
Okay.
Any other questions?
No, ma'am, that is it. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Good luck.
Thank you.
Alright, this is the people versus Jose Rodriguez, ticket number SP 1391409, count 1, 11, 15 miles per hour over posted speed, count 2, expired place, count 3, no insurance misdemeanor. Good morning, please say your names for the record.
Jose
Morning.
Rodriguez.
Ali Barrow appearing on behalf of Mr. Rodriguez. Sir, please state your name for the record. Mr. Rodriguez, state your name for the record.
Jose Rodriguez.
Thank you, sir. Your Honor, today's the day and time scheduled for a trial and a formal hearing. An officer has failed to appear. Such we're requesting a motion for dismissal.
All right, these matters are dismissed as this trial was set at 9 o'clock. It's now 9:57. No officer has appeared. You are all set. Mr. Rodriguez, good luck to you, sir.
Okay, thank you.
This is the people versus Lakenya Robinson, ticket number SP 1392313, count 1, no insurance misdemeanor, count 2, improper or invalid license. Good morning, please say your name for the record.
Good morning. Ali Barrow appearing on behalf of Ms. Robinson. Ma'am, state your name for the record, please.
Lakenya Robinson.
Thank you. Your Honor, today's the day and time scheduled for a trial. An officer has failed to appear. As such, we'd like to make a motion for dismissal.
All right, these matters are dismissed without prejudice as this trial was set at 9 o'clock. It's 9:58. No officers appeared. Court will just, like I said, court will dismiss it without prejudice. You are all set, Ms. Robinson. Good luck to you now.
Thank you.
You're welcome. All right, this is the people versus Janice Ragland, ticket number SP 889007, count 1, drove a license not valid or proper license, count 2, improper plates. Ticket number SP 941119, count 1, failed to display a valid operator's license on a person, and count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. Good morning, please say your name for the record.
Morning, Your Honor. Ali Barrow appearing on behalf of Ms. Ragland. Ma'am, state your name for the record.
Janice Ragland.
Thank you. Your Honor, we're seeking an adjournment for a bench trial, please.
Okay, raise your right hand, Ms. Ragland. Do you swear or affirm to tell the whole truth and nothing but the truth?
I do.
Great. Put your hand down. You understand you do have the right to a jury trial?
I do.
Has anyone threatened you, forced you, or promised you anything of value to waive your right to a jury trial?
No.
All right, so the court is going to continue your not guilty plea, set this for a bench trial date for March 6th at 9 o'clock.
Okay.
Okay, you're all set, ma'am.
Thank you.
Mr. Barrow, are you ready? Did you want to speak to?
I just saw that Mr. Isaac Reed was here, so I'm gonna bring him out. That's also a trial. I don't know if the officer has checked in.
Yeah, we can do that really quickly. Yeah. we can
Okay.
talk about,
Let me invite him.
Okay. And then there's a Tiara Davis. Her offer is going to be a 3-month delayed sentence on the allowing and dismissing the other charges.
Okay, thank you.
36 days court is back in session with the Honorable Raeigen Evans presiding. While person in session, or we can talking, eating, sitting, and walking around your home. When your name is called, please unmute your device if muted and give your full undivided attention to the court. Good morning, Your Honor.
That way, this is the people versus Isaac Reed, ticket number SP 1389966, count 1, driver license suspended, count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. Good morning, please say your names for the record.
Good morning, Your
Good
Honor.
morning.
Ali Barrow, appearing on behalf of the defendant. Sir, please state your name for the record.
Isaac G. Graffinery.
Thank you, sir. Your Honor, today's a day and time scheduled for trial. Officer has failed to prepare as such. I'd like to make a motion for dismissal.
All right, this trial, you're right, this was set for trial at 9 o'clock. It's now 10:01. Matter is dismissed without prejudice. You are all set, Mr. Graffinery. Good luck to you, sir.
You're free to leave, sir.
Mr. Reed, you have to find somewhere to be seated. You finished, Mr. DeRaffini. We finished with your matter. You're welcome. Do you want to talk to Mr. Reed now? Mr. Reed, you are in court, so you have to find somewhere to be seated and remain quiet.
Mr. Court, do you mind placing Mr. Reed in a breakout room while I?
Okay, I'm gonna put you in the breakout room, Mr. Reed, and wait patiently. The attorney will be with you momentarily.
Okay.
I'll put you in breakout room 4.
His would be, his would be, let me bring the officer out.
Okay.
Did she leave? She was just there.
Right.
She was.
Maybe she'll come back.
Okay, I can wait for him. I'll take care of the other matters.
Yeah, it was gonna be to like the civil infraction,
Okay.
violation of basic speed law, drove unsafe manner.
Is that what it is?
Yeah, how many points is that?
Drive in unsafe manner, if I'm not mistaken, is 3 points.
Is it 3 points?
Yeah, I'm gonna double check that right now. Right, 300
How
is
about,
the,
how about the, what's 6 to 10, or limited access 6 to 10, what's that? Is that 2 points?
that is 1 point. So I'm sorry, this is a 2-point violation, not a 3-point. It's violation of basic speed laws, 2 points. Limited access 6 to 10 is a 1-point violation. And then limited access 1 to 5 is 0.
Crash it. I think 6 to 10, limited access. 6 to
Okay.
10.
Not a problem.
Or set up for trial.
Or set it for trial. Okay.
Oh, no, it's already set for trial, that's right.
I know. That's
But you know what? But she disappeared, so if she doesn't come back, if she comes back, we'll maybe 6 10, but we could do 1 to 5.
okay.
She's gone, so. We just got a couple more and then he can talk to us. Yeah, that's fine. What are you recommending for her again?